In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting an alarm to go off on your Samsung Galaxy A14 or A15 or even maybe A16 or newer versions of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the clock icon to go open up the clock app. And then you want to go and select the little plus icon when you're underneath alarm. Go add the alarm for whatever time you want it to go off at, and then select OK. You can select the days you want the alarm to go off by just by selecting the days. And you can change if you want it to vibrate or not, as well as if you want to pause the alarm for any period of time. And you can also delete it just by selecting the little trash bin icon down here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.